Pigs were once viewed as disgusting and unclean. But science is proving the incredible intelligence and anatomy of pigs that are comparable to that of humans. This documentary will explore the similar nervous, muscular, and digestive systems, as well as evolutionary traits that enable them to function. Pigs have sensory neurons that make them more aware of their surroundings. Sensory neurons receive stimuli from the environment and process the information in the brain. If necessary, the organism can act on the stimuli received by using motor neurons. Motor neurons travel from the brain and to the body in order to signal movement. In a pig, the signals sent throughout the body are actually chemicals called neurotransmitters. The signal travels from one neuron to another through the synapse, a small space between the neurons. Just like humans, pigs have two types of muscle, voluntary and involuntary. However, both types of muscle follow the same process within their muscles in order to contract. The myosin heads on the thick filament attached to the actin, a thin filament, which moves the actin closer to the center of the sarcomere, causing the contraction. These contractions are aided by the macromolecules such as lipids, which are healthy fats important for a pig and human body to maintain a healthy stature. Carbohydrates are also very important when providing energy for the muscle and can be stored as glycogen in bodily tissues to be used in time of need. The mouth plays a valuable role in the digestive system for both pigs and humans. When you eat, your teeth and tongue help to emulsify your food. Salivary glands then secrete saliva, which contains the enzyme amylase. Amylase is responsible for the chemical breakdown of complex carbohydrates such as starches. The food that passes through the pharynx and the esophagus is called a bolus. When the food enters the stomach, it is transformed into chyme, where molecules such as globular proteins are broken down. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine, where nutrient absorption occurs. Small intestine receives bile from the liver that emulsifies fats and receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas. Once nutrient absorption is complete, the chyme passes through the scum into the large intestine. All animals have evolved to become a more efficient and stable organism. A pig is no exception to this. Along with other animals, they have vertebrae, toes, and other mammalian features. Pigs have vertebrae, which serves as the backbone for their anatomy, making them part of the phylum Chordata. The major function of the vertebral column is to protect the spinal cord. It also provides stiffening for the body and attachment for certain bones and many muscles. In humans, an additional function is to transmit body weight in walking and standing. Pigs also have non-functional digits, referred to as dew claws. This is an example of a vestigial structure. This means that a pig's ancestors may have had a larger need for their toes, but now they have been greatly reduced to accommodate their lack of use. Pigs are also mammals, which mean they produce milk, have hair, and rely on a diaphragm to separate the heart and lungs. With the liver, kidneys, stomach, intestines, etc. Pigs have evolved alongside humans. Their adaptations are very similar. Perhaps we have shared an ancestor not too long ago.